Hey everybody, Mr. B here and welcome to the Loft. We are going to do a wonderful caprese salad today. It is absolutely perfect on a hot summer's day. The key to a really good caprese salad, if I may, is using the freshest ingredients that you can absolutely source. So like I said, it's summertime. Everybody knows it's summertime. Summertime means tomatoes are coming in delicious and fast. So you want a really good fresh tomato. You are going to also want to find the best mozzarella that you can find. Now don't use your string cheese stuff on this, people, please. What human would do that? Fresh basil, freshest you can find. You can get some really good basil at the grocery store now if you do not have some growing in your window or in, your back patio or deck or in your garden, what have you. And then you're going to have some olive oil, best you can do, best you can get, and balsamic vinegar. Now balsamic vinegar, some people say do the balsamic vinegar, some people say don't do the balsamic vinegar. I'm personally looking for anything that gets balsamic vinegar into my mouth, right? So we're using balsamic vinegar, but you're gonna want to, use a good quality or the best quality that you can find. Salt and pepper, and you're done. Now, I like caprese salad to be at a room temperature. Now, if you were doing this in advance, what I would suggest you do is cut the tomatoes and put that kind of with the mozzarella and get that into the fridge. Don't dress it. And don't tear your basil and put your basil on it, because that's just gonna go brown. You wanna do that right as you're serving it. You also want to do the salt and pepper right as you're serving it and not prior to. So anyway, that's enough, blah, 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 blah. Let's do a summer caprese salad. All right, so let's start with the tomatoes. I've got a few heirlooms here now. With an heirloom tomato, they ugly, but they sure are delicious. Now, you may have some things that you've got to kind of work around, and once we get into it, if it's crap, it'll go down the disposal. I have backup tomatoes. When cutting a tomato, I like to use a serrated knife, and let's get into him and see what we've got now. I think we'll get some things off of him. I'm gonna go thin. Oh, he's beautiful. All right, so now we are going to dress this up. Now I've garnished this with some chiffonata basil just to make it look pretty. Nothing screams for salt, in my opinion, more than good tomatoes. So I'm going to hit them pretty good, pretty hard, to be honest. Next round is cracked pepper. Yes, indeed. Then I'll just lightly drizzle some good quality extra virgin olive oil. Not gonna kill it. And balsamic vinegar. Now, once again, try to use a good quality. This has the designation of origin on it. Coming out of Italy, it is pretty good. So a little bit of this goes a pretty long way, in my opinion. And there you have it. Beautiful, delicious, fresh, and it's ready for, I mean, this is lunch, people. Woo! Can't wait to dig in. So that's it, guys. We'll forego a test. I think you guys get the picture here. This is Caprese salad. Remember, it doesn't matter if it's hometown or midtown. We're gonna cook it from the loft. We'll see you next time. Not gonna taste in my ass. Holy crap, that is so good and fresh. These heirloom tomatoes are the bomb. Just perfect. Enough.